It's me, Magical Potatoes, here today, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Minecraft Bukkit server for Mac on 1.6.2. So you want to go to this link, and you want to hit the very first thing and download it. When you get it, it's going to say something like this: craftbukkit 1.6.2-ro.2. If it doesn't say that, that's fine, but just rename it Craft Bukkit. The file that you downloaded has to be called Craft Bukkit, and just drag it into your folder that you're going to create it in. You have to put it in a folder, or you're going to get all these crap files on your desktop. You do not want all these crap files, unless you want all of these files on your freaking desktop. I would freaking put it in this. And once you have it in here, you want to go to text edit, format, make plain text, and you want to copy and paste this. Make sure it says that. This where it says like 1024, that's the memory. You can change that around. So if you have 4 gigabytes, don't put 3G. So say you have 4 gigabytes on your Mac. I have 12 though. And say you delete that and you put down 3 or 4G. Don't do that. That'll crash your computer. Put down like 2G or something. 2 gigabytes. I actually had to just save it, whatever. And just name it run.command. Make sure you put the .command. Make sure you put that down or it won't work. And save. And then you're going to drag it over here. And I'm going to rename it something. So I'm going to rename it potato.command. Then you're going to want to open up a new terminal window and type chmod space A+X space and just drag it in and enter. Now we want to close that down and run it. And you'll get this. It's generating a spawn and everything. And then plugins. The reason you want to do Bukkit, if you want plugins, do default vanilla. I mean, if you don't want plugins, do default vanilla. But if you do want plugins, do Bukkit. Bukkits can run plugins, which are the best things in the world. And don't even play on vanilla servers. Those servers suck. Anyway, so I'm just running it. This is just for... I'm going to use this server for whenever I do, like, showcases or playing with my friends and stuff. This will be my tutorial server. I won't use mods on it, though, because mods are super hard to install. Once you do that, you're going to type stop. And it's going to start closing. It's going to say that, and then you can just exit out. But the problem is, if you run that and try to join it, so what you're going to want to do is you want to go here and you want to type IP config. And you're going to get all this crap. And after you do that, you're going to want to go to the internet and look up IP Chicken, which is the most legit website. And that will be your IP address. That right there, that's your IP address. You just right click and copy it. And then that's what you'll put down when you join your server. But before you go off to try to join your server, there's one thing you should know. If you're running your server right now I'm not, and if you try to join it, your friends aren't going to be able to join, but you will be able to if you don't want to port forward your server and you just want to play it by yourself, you want to type local host while you're running it. That, if you type that IP in, that will also work. So to run your server, you want to go to the internet. This is to join it, and you want to type in 192.168.2.1, or you want to find your default port. And I have a Belkin router. This is for the Belkin router. Hit login, hit submit, firewall, virtual servers, and you want to type in, like, let's say, name it server. Then the next put 25565 to 25565, and then put your IPv4 address. So to get to your IPv4 address, click on System Preferences, Network, Advanced, TCP/IP, and there it is, right there, IPv4. Now exit out of that and put IP. Then you put that private port. These are the private ports, so same thing as 25562. 25565. 25565. And that is how you do it. So I'm just going to clear entry 13. Clear. Yes. So that's how you do it. And then after you do that, you want to hit apply changes, and it'll start loading. And this, don't delete it. Just wait for this to load. Wireless broadband router, blah blah blah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's how you put forward it for a Belkin router. So then if you run it and open up Minecraft. So right now it's open. Say hi. You can say hi and play. If you would like a video on how to put plugins in it, please let me know, and I'll let you guys know. And it'll start loading. Load it up. Minecraft 1.6.2. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, up. Multiplayer, and there it is at the very top. Your server, right there. Log in, and it'll say you logged in. But you won't be able to do anything. You won't be able to do /game. You won't be able to do any commands. You'll be a member, not operator. So you want to go over to here, and you want to type op, and then your username. But don't put any slashes, because in terminal, slashes aren't recognized. So just put op. Don't type slash, and then game mode 1. And then you can do // help. And slash all that. Ban, unban, ban list, clear. /I. No, /give. You know, you get all those good commands. 2, 3. All those are those. Pardon, unbans people. Just letting you know if you're not used to these weird commands for these Bukkit servers. So that's everything you need to know. But you won't have ranks yet. You are going to need a rank plugin called Group Manager. But other than that, you can still do commands for your friends to play on. So thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Where's the damn freaking save exit button?